How to get OneNote in Teams channel. Choose your channel. Find the channel you intended to use. Open the channel. In the top line of the channel, we'll find a plus sign. When we press the plus sign, we will find apps. Choose the app OneNote. Find your notebook. Now you can choose the notebook you want to share in the team or in the channel on the Teams. It will now appear as a tab in the channel's heading. As you can see in the picture here, test site 2. OneNote sites. You can choose to take the entire notebook or just a page in the channel you selected. This way you can organize your teams and channels to function as a single notebook for you. This eliminates the need to open many OneNotes to find the one you want to access. For example, classes, subjects, projects, assignments, etc. Only your imagination sets the limit for this area. If you open a class note, as a teacher you can access each student's area, where you have predetermined which sections you should have, or they should have. Here students can have sections for homework, submissions, and personal documents that teachers can access. Each student can only see their own area in a class notebook, but they have a collaboration space where they can add common comments or similar. Additional, they have access to the area where teachers can post subjects matter. Here, as a teacher, you have the opportunity to comment on each student's work and assist them in the process of homework projects. Good luck.